Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Amy Wang and I'm excited to be your guide today for the Schindler China elevator factory. Let's start with an overview of the factory. Schindler China Elevator Factory, we also call it SCK, is located in Shanghai Jiading district. As the largest elevator factory in Schindler Group, it features advanced manufacturing technology and innovative facilities. It has obtained the highly esteemed LEED Silver certificate from the United States and ISO certificates. SCK covers product lines for residential, commercial, and high-rise elevators by providing standardized and customized service for customers around the world. Our tool includes two parts, the mechanical workshop and the electronic workshop. Let's go to the mechanical workshop first. It's a must for visitors to wear personal protective equipment. Access will only be granted when accompanied by authorized employee. We are here in mechanical workshop now. The workshop uses the SAP system. Every day, the system sorts through customer orders and then sets a production plan that includes purchase and production orders. The materials are then sent out to production line according to the schedule and manufacturing screens using milk run logistic vehicle. This is the Savanini line, one of the most automated processing equipment in the world. It uses an automated production line combined with system management programs to provide high-end customized solution for our customers. Now, let's move to the powder coating line. Now we are visiting the powder coating line. We equipped advanced phosphorus-free pretreatment and also imported electrostatic automatic dusting equipment from Germany for cleaning and coating surface of elevator parts like car door, front wall, car header, car platform, car roof, upper and bottom yoke, and so on. This makes sure that we cause no harm to the environment. This is growing area. In order to improve product quality and manufacturing efficiency, SCK has introduced an automatic growing production line and a rapid coating system. Here is our assembly line. The main products in this line are car roof and platform, plus all the relevant components for both commercial and high-rise products. After assembly is completed, the parts are packed and sent to designated integration area. Without a doubt, safety is the most critical part of an elevator system. In our safety parts assembly line, we produce safety gear and overspeed governor. Each of them has its own production number, which allows for easier tracking as well as faster and more accurate installation in the field. Let's go to the last area in the mechanical workshop. Now we are at the door drive assembly line. Streamlined model is used for door drive assembly line. It simulates the operation mode of the door drive and tests each set to ensure high-quality performance. We now move on to the Sck Electronic Workshop. We've adapted intelligent temperature and humidity control system in the entire area of the electronic workshop. Like the mechanical workshop, we also need to wear personal protective equipment. The protective clothing in the electronic workshop is strictly configured according to ESD anti-static standards. After suiting up according to safety standards, you also need to enter the ESD inspection gate. Entrance is granted only after inspection is passed. This is Inverter automatic production line. All of the tasks in this line can be automatically handled by robots, from feeding material to packing. Advanced technologies like database administration software, visual processing system, QR code scanning, and automatically locking system are used in this line to ensure excellent quality with impressive production efficiency. From feeding material, production to testing, all of the tasks in this line are automatically handled. Next, we will have a look at the high-rise elevator controller production line, which serves our Schindler 7000 product. We achieve optimal elevator performance by using state-of-the-art technology. Schindler 7000 provides an exceptional comfortable ride at high speed. With its cutting-edge technology and high customized solution, it is an indispensable asset for large projects in the global market. To answer the diversified needs in the global market, we roll out Schindler 5000 elevator, which is equipped with this controller. Through intelligent matching searching, the robot arm could directly grab the sheet metal according to the order demand, which can avoid heavy manual work. The screw could be 100% tightened without human being. The data of the whole process can be 100% traced back. Here comes our Automated Guided Vehicles AGV. It uses slim laser navigation, which scans the surrounding environment in real time using laser modeling. This is mainly used to automatically deliver materials from the central warehouse to the production line. It can greatly reduce the waste of manual work and improve logistic efficiency. What you can see now is our employee skill assessment board. Sck attaches great importance to the cultivation and development of our employees. In order to standardize skill level management and to help them improve, Sck sets skill assessment standards and carry out skill level tracking through this board. Here is our high-tech automatic camera system for packing, which can scan product codes to trigger automated photography. The system can then name, upload, and sort the photos automatically. Throughout the process, employees only need to scan the box number, while all other processes are completely automated. The operation is simple and fast. This innovation also improves work efficiency and ensures correct component delivery. This brings an end to our virtual tour. Sck has taken a foothold in China while maintaining the whole world in our view. We are devoted to enhancing Schindler's influence in the elevator industry, and we hold a strong belief in constantly improving manufacturing operations and providing high-quality service to customers. Thanks for your participation, and we hope you enjoyed this tour with us. Have a wonderful day.